Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic here we are going to do a names. The letter NAME. The four letter here we are going to use. This is for the month of August. Using a technique of 2-point perspective, we are going to write a letters. Okay. So NAME. I am taking a four letters here. Then now, how usually we'll find a first two faces for the cube, as like that here we are creating a first faces for the letters. Observe very carefully. Here M, the first face I am creating a M. After practicing the exercise, you will be having a very clear idea how you should work for the text. If you are not good practiced with the exercise, then you may feel like little difficult because a number of lines was used. Okay, so here I created M and E. Here I am creating a letter A. The left side we are creating N and A, and the right side we are creating M and E. So now I am creating a letter N. So now we got the first phase for the four letters. Now how we'll connect the edges? As like that we should connect the edges. After find the top of the faces, we should connect always in the opposite side. Yes, no, even the same method we followed in the working with the 2-point perspective exercise in cube and cylinder. See, after completing the volume, I am making little dark. See, once you should practice, then only you will get a very clear idea how the shape was formed. You can feel the depth and volume in the letter M. So in the same way, we are working for the letter E. And after completing the volume and the depth, I am making little dark. So the letter M and E is completed. I am going towards the letter A. So the letter is ready, NAME. So the second topic we are doing a friendship band. So I used here a 6 lines of 2 colors. So one is green, pink, and green. So like that I taken a 6 lines. So make a knot like this. In one corner make a knot like this. You should use a exam pad, you can see, and then start keeping a knot like that. Just we are going to use a knots. You should use two knots. So like that you should keep two knots. See, repeatedly you should go from right to left. And then you should leave it towards the left side. And again here working with the green color, then again two knots. See, you can see two knots. Yes, now again the row will go for green color. See, we use like one is green, pink, green, pink, green, pink, 6 lines. So it's coming in order. One line is in a green and one line is in a pink. One line is in a green and other line is in a pink. You can see the visual there. See, observe the knot very carefully. See here, I'm going to show again. The knots are very clear. You should turn it, and it should overlap on the other thread. See it very carefully. Yes, the knot should be like this. So once it's ready, keep a tape back side and then stick it in a drawing book. Here the first topic we learn names, the four letter we tried in the technique of 2-point perspective. And the second topic we learn a woolen friendship band. Thank you.